coming to check out today's video. So today's video is another wig review. This wig review is sponsored by Hairsmarket. So thank you so much, Hairsmarket, for sending over this new unit. Now let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right, you guys, so this is what your box is gonna look like when you get it. It does have washing and care instructions on the back of the box. And this is the package your wig is going to come in. It says Hairsmarket, wholesale and drop shipping available. You're going to get a packet of lashes, and I actually like these lashes. They're not too crazy. Sometimes you get the really insane lashes, but these ones look really pretty. You're also going to get a really big edge control brush. It has a brush on the side, comb, and then it has a rat tail, which is very nice because they don't typically have a rat tail. So that's like an all-in-one. You're going to get your wig caps, and of course you're going to get your wig. Okay, so we do have a really pretty curly unit. Looks like it's a moderate length, maybe like 18 inches, but I'll check to be sure. It does have a lace frontal area, and I'll put all the specs on the frontal. You are going to have a comb on either side. You're gonna have a comb in the back and your adjustable straps. No elastic band on this one. So the lace color is definitely very gray, so it's definitely going to need to be tinted. And then I'm also going to bleach the knots on this one. And it looks like I'm going to have to pluck this one a little bit too. So I will definitely come back and show you what the hairline is looking like after I get it together. So I sat here and did a bunch of plucking. I haven't bleached it yet, but I realized it is 3 o'clock and it's time for me to go get the boys from school. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. I'm definitely loving how this curly hair is looking. I love the length, I love the fullness, I love the curl pattern. Very, very cute, and I'm definitely loving the outcome. If you guys want to check out this hair, I'll leave links down below, and I'll also leave you a coupon code so that you can go ahead and grab this for a lower price. If you guys have questions for me or I forgot anything, definitely leave it in the comments down below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Do me one favor and subscribe to the channel if you love the content, and make sure you guys are liking the video. That super helps me out. And make sure you're sharing. Share this video with a friend, share it with a wig lover, share this video with your mama. Peace.